Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to give you a clear and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using Taxfyle, which is supported by real reviews and sources. So let's get started. Now if you look at professional expertise, the pro of using Taxfyle is that it connects users with licensed US CPAs and enrolled agents for federal and state tax filing. The con is that it offers less self-service flexibility, more interaction needed because you have more interaction needed with a professional. So the next thing we're going to look at is accuracy and compliance. Now the pro is that ensures accurate filing, maximizes deductions, and provides optional audit protection. The con is that it may miss niche or highly complex tax scenarios. Few services for complex needs. That's what it means. Now let's go to user experience. The pro for that is that it's easy to use app dashboard for uploading documents and communicating with professionals. Now the con is that users report inconsistent response time and service, for example waiting 4 weeks without a single message. Now let's look at the pricing transparency. It has upfront quotes based on complexity. The pricing typically starts around $70 to $100 for basic returns, $100 to $250 for self-employed or business filings. The con is that it can be more expensive than DIY software, that is do-it-yourself software for simple returns. Variable fees also is based on complexity. Let's look at the convenience and security. SOC2 compliant, it's encrypted, it has secure platforms, matches clients quickly with a wide network of professionals, about 4,000 to 7,000 plus professionals. Now the con is that it's remote only service, so it is not ideal for those who prefer in-person interactions. Now let's look at the AI argumentation, which is the last one we're looking at. Now the pro here is that it uses AI OCR tools to reduce prep time and cost, for let's say about 40% savings on basic 1040 prep. But the con is that some AI data input issues could occur and professionals still need to review all the filings. So in summary, it is best for individuals, freelancers, small business owners, and experts looking for expert-led compliant tax preparation, and those who value accurate filings, audit protection, and secure guided support. But keep in mind that it is more expensive than DIY software for straightforward returns, and the remote communications may lag and wait times can vary. Some users reported weeks of silence, and it is not the best fit for users who want in-person assistance or DIY control. Hope you found this video helpful.